Alright guys, Rufus 4.1 beta is finally here and it comes with some powerful new features. It's no longer just for creating bootable USB drive. Now it can bypass Windows 11 hardware requirements, remove bloatware like Copilot and Teams before installation. It can even install Windows automatically without any prompt. That means no Microsoft account, no setup stress, no junk apps. Today, I will show you how to create the cleanest Windows 11 installer in 2026 using this new Rufus version. First, open your browser and search for Rufus. Click the official website. Scroll down and download Rufus 4.1 beta. Once downloaded, open it. Do you want to allow Rufus to check for application updates online? I will select no and continue because I just downloaded the updated one right from the website. Now, select a USB drive. Click select and choose a Windows 11 ISO file. For partition scheme, right click on the Windows icon, select disk management, right click on the zero and select properties. Click on the volume tab. From there, you will see your partition scheme. You can see mine is GPT. I will select GPT as my partition scheme. You can rename the USB if you want. I will rename it Windows 11. File system, make it NTFS and cluster size default. Then click start. Now this is where the magic happens. Windows user experience. You will see new options, bypass TPM, secure boot, and run requirements. Skip Microsoft account setup. Create a local username. Disable data tracking. But the biggest feature in this is the quality of life improvement, that is the QOL. This removes most unwanted apps like Copilot, Teams, OneDrive startup, and your Windows installs clean from the start. Here is also an option for silent installation. This will automatically erase your disk. Install Windows without any clicks. But be careful, if you have multiple drives connected, this can wipe everything. Only use it if you have one disk or you have disconnected other drives. After choosing your options, click OK. Make sure to back up your USB drive because it will be erased. Then wait for the process to complete. After installation, you will notice no Copilot, no Teams, fewer unnecessary apps. Some apps like Feedback Hub may still be there, but overall it is much cleaner than before. So yeah, Rufus 4.1 beta gives you a faster, cleaner, and easier Windows installation. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.